I saw this healthy banana bars recipe and I just had to try it. So I got out my ingredients. Bananas and butter, milk, vanilla, an egg, cinnamon, baking soda, nutmeg, salt, and chocolate chips. I set the oven to 350 and started mashing up the bananas. I added the sugar, an egg, the milk, some vanilla. I also melted some butter in the microwave to add. I poured that in and mixed it all up. In a separate bowl, I mixed together all the dry ingredients and then added it to the other mixture with all the wet ingredients. After that, I folded in the chocolate chips. So far, this recipe is really easy and I'm excited to see how they're gonna turn out. I sprinkled on some extra chocolate chips for good measure and put them in the oven. Let's check if they're done. Yep, looks like they are. After letting them cool for a bit, I tried them and they were delicious. I rate this recipe a 9 out of 10. You guys should definitely try it.